Welcome ladies and gentlemen to my new video. In this video I am going to tell you about top 5 unique plants in the world. 5. Mimosa Pudica. Mimosa pudica, from Latin, pudica, shy, bashful or shrinking, also called sensitive plant, sleepy plant, action plant, touch me not, shameplant, is a creeping annual or perennial flowering plant of the pea, legume family Fabaceae and Magnoliopsida taxon, often grown for its curiosity value. The compound leaves fold inward and droop when touched or shaken, defending themselves from harm. The species is native to South and Central America, but is now a pantropical weed, and can be found in southern United States, South Asia, East Asia and South Africa as well. It is not shade tolerant, and is primarily found on soils with low nutrient concentrations. Mimosa pudica is well known for its rapid plant movement. Like a number of other plant species, it undergoes changes in leaf orientation termed sleep, or nyctinastic movement. The foliage closes during darkness and reopens in light. This was first studied by the French scientist Jean-Jacques de Mairan. Due to mimosa's unique response to touch, it became an ideal plant for many experiments regarding plant habituation and memory. Mimosa pudica is native to the Americas. It can also be found in Asian countries such as Singapore, Bangladesh, Thailand, India, Nepal, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Japan, Sri Lanka. It has been introduced to many other regions and is regarded as an invasive species in Tanzania, South and Southeast Asia and many Pacific islands. 4. Corpse flower. Amorphophallus titanum, the Titanum, is a flowering plant with the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world. The talipot palm, Corypha umbraculifera, has a larger inflorescence, but it is branched rather than unbranched. Due to its odor, like that of a rotting corpse, the Titanum is characterized as a carrion flower, and is also known as the corpse flower or corpse plant. Indonesian, bunga bangkai. Bunga means flower, while bangkai can be translated as corpse, cadaver, or carrion. The Titanum's inflorescence can reach over 3 meters, 10 feet, in height. Like the related cuckoo pint and calla lily, it consists of a fragrant spadix of flowers wrapped by a spathe, which looks like a large petal. In the case of the Titanum, the spathe is a deep green on the outside and dark burgundy red on the inside, with a deeply furrowed texture. Near the bottom of the spadix, hidden from view inside the sheath of the spathe, the spadix bears 2 rings of small flowers. The upper ring bears the male flowers, the lower ring is spangled with bright red-orange carpels. The fragrance of the Titanum resembles rotting meat, attracting carrion-eating beetles and flesh flies that pollinate it. 3. Rafflesia Arnoldii. Rafflesia Arnoldii is a species of flowering plant in the parasitic genus Rafflesia. It is noted for producing the largest individual flower on Earth. It has a very strong and unpleasant odor of decaying flesh. It is native to the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo. Although there are some plants with larger flowering organs like the Titanum, Amorphophallus titanum, and talipot palm, Corypha umbraculifera, those are technically clusters of many flowers. Rafflesia Arnoldii is one of the 3 national flowers in Indonesia, the other 2 being the white jasmine, Jasminum sambac, and moon orchid, Phalaenopsis amabilis. It was officially recognized as a national, rare flower, Indonesian, Puspa Langka, in Presidential Decree No. 4 in 1993. Although Rafflesia is a vascular plant, it lacks any observable leaves, stems or even roots, and does not have chlorophyll. It lives as a holoparasite on vines of the genus Tetrastigma. Similar to fungi, individuals grow as a mass of thread-like strands of tissue completely embedded within and in intimate contact with surrounding host cells from which nutrients and water are obtained. 2. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap, Dionaea muscipula, is a carnivorous plant native to subtropical wetlands on the east coast of the United States in North Carolina and South Carolina. It catches its prey, chiefly insects and arachnids, with a trapping structure formed by the terminal portion of each of the plant's leaves, which is triggered by tiny hairs called trigger hairs, or sensitive hairs, on their inner surfaces. When an insect or spider crawling along the leaves contacts a hair, the trap prepares to close, snapping shut only if another contact occurs within approximately 20 seconds of the first strike. Dionaea is a monotypic genus closely related to the waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa, and Sundews drosera, all of which belong to the family Droseraceae. Although widely cultivated for sale, the population of the Venus flytrap has been rapidly declining in its native range. The species is currently under Endangered Species Act review by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. 1. Pitcher plant. Pitcher plants are several different carnivorous plants which have modified leaves known as pitfall traps, a prey trapping mechanism featuring a deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. The traps of what are considered to be true pitcher plants are formed by specialized leaves. The plants attract and drown their prey with nectar. The term pitcher plant generally refers to members of the Nepenthaceae and Sarraceniaceae families, but similar pitfall traps are employed by the monotypic Cephalotaceae and some members of the Bromeliaceae. The plants themselves are often climbers, accessing the canopy of their habitats using the aforementioned tendrils, although others are found on the ground in forest clearings, or as epiphytes on trees. Foraging, flying or crawling insects such as flies are attracted to a cavity formed by the cupped leaf, often by visual lures such as anthocyanin pigments, and nectar bribes. Mature plants of Nepenthes lowi attract tree shrews, Tupia montana, which feed on nectar that the plant produces but also defecate into the pitcher, providing nitrates and other nutrients. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like video for more interesting facts.